Have you lost your license or are you on the verge of losing your license? But do you still need it in order to be able to work? Do not despair and do not drive while disqualified. This video is for you. Good Stefano, my name is Liana. I'm a lawyer. Today I'm going to be doing a 101 on limited licenses, commonly referred to as work licenses. So basically, if you can show that your loss of license leads to extreme hardship for yourself or undue hardship on somebody else, you may be eligible for a limited license. And a limited license is just that, limited. Limited on when you can use it, why you can use it, and where you can use it to drive. For example, let's make up a fictitious character. We're going to name him Hinari. So Hinari works for AA as a mechanic. He lives in West Auckland, but AA is in Manurewa, all the way in South Auckland. Not only that, Hinari starts his mahi at 5 a.m. every day. And as part of his role as a mechanic, he's also required to occasionally test drive vehicles and return courtesy cars and such between other AA sites in the area. Hinari's got no alternative ride to work. If he catches public transport, he'll have to leave at like 3, 4 in the morning and catch multiple buses or trains or whatever it is. And Hinari's boss has said, if you can't perform the role, you're going to lose your job. While the court do want to punish Hinari for drink driving unlawfully, they don't want to do so to the extent that it's going to cost him his whole livelihood. That's no good for anybody. So Hinari can apply for a limited license. And what I would tell Hinari to do if he came to see me is to Google your nearest community law centre, who will be able to refer you to somebody who does applications of this type. I would also be suggesting to Hinari that he get a letter of confirmation from his employer stating his work hours, days, where it is, and that if he can't drive, it will compromise his job. What is also useful is screenshots of Google Maps of the areas that he will be required to drive in at certain times for the purposes of getting to work and carrying out work. It's the type of evidence a lawyer or another person doing the application is going to need from you. Also important to note is there's a mandatory 28-day stand down for being issued a limited license if you've lost your license or been disqualified, usually as a result of a criminal charge. Now, if Hinari is successful in obtaining a limited license, he can then go on to apply to NZTA to be issued a limited license. Our work situation like Hinari is, while it's a common scenario to apply for a limited license, it's not the only scenario. The court will decide on a case-by-case basis. So if you're unsure whether you fit the criteria, Google your community law, bring someone and have a chat, see if you're eligible, and good luck. Like and follow for more legal TikTok.